So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. If you have anything that says FTDI, you want to try to update it first. If that's not working, then you want to remove it. So if you have a USB that says FTDI or just anything similar to that, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. You want to update it, see if that works. If that's still not working, you want to right click on your FTDI USB and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it, see if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.